Match details. Weather.
Sunny. Pitch condition.
The weather is expected to be very good for cricket on match day as there is no rain predicted. We do think that there is going to be an absolutely flat batting pitch with a decent amount of bounce in it. The fast bowlers always have something to work with in Hobart, and this is going to be no different. The average score may be something in the region of 175 or 180, below which teams are going to uncomfortable defending. Probable 11. Head-to-head. Odds.
Win percentage. Dream Team 11.
Batsman. Colin Ingram, C., Joe Wells, Phil Salt, Ryan Gibson. Wicket-keeper. Peter Hanscom. All-rounder. DRC Short, James Faulkner, BC. Bowler. Rashid Khan, Riley Meredith, Peter Siddle, Daniel Worrell. Prediction tips. Hobart Hurricanes are coming from a win in their last match and will be very confident going into the match. Adelaide Strikers have a terrific record against Hobart Hurricanes in the history of BBL, winning 7 off the last 12 matches. Adelaide Strikers have a stronger batting lineup with players like Joe Wells and Matt Renshaw. Their bowling is also led well by Rashid Khan. Pick your team. ADEILAIDE Strikers will win this match. Download our app, Cricket Forecast, from Play Store for prediction of cricket matches.